Namaste. I'd like to share a little mini sequence I've been working with a lot in my practice that helps with hip mobility and to lengthen the spine. And this will include a little side stretching and squatting. So what we'll do is begin with our feet about hip width and parallel. Bring your arms down to your sides. And take a moment to focus on the breath. So you'll close your eyes and just lightly engage the throat like you're narrowing a valve, which will help you to lengthen the breath as if you're drinking it through a long, thin straw. Breathe through your nose, but hear the breath softly move in and out of your throat. Every time you breathe out, engage your lower abdomen. Every time you breathe in, allow the rib cage to expand three-dimensionally. Okay, good. And then open your eyes. Inhale and sweep your arms up, bend your elbows and interlace your fingers. Now, when we bring the arms up this way, you'll be in a little bit of extension of the spine, meaning you'll move into a tiny bit of a back bend, just to avoid letting your low ribs shoot too far forward. So I'm going to consciously keep my low ribs in here with upper abdomen slightly engaged. And then now exhale and stretch to your right, but look to your left, pressing your palms away from your head. Inhale back to the center, bend your elbows, pause for 1 second here. This exhale, stretch to your left and look to your right. Inhale back to the center, do a short pause. And now we'll exhale into a deep squat. Now as you squat, keep your heels on the floor, bend your knees, sit your hips back, and resist your knees out away from each other. So you want to avoid a knock-kneed position. And squat as deeply as you can with your heels on the floor and straightening the arms. And then inhale to come back up and bend your elbows. Let's try it again. Exhale to the right, look to the left. Inhale, center and pause. Exhale, stretch to your left and look to your right. Inhale, center. Pause here for a second. Now exhale as you squat and keep your heels on the floor, sit your hips back, resist your knees out away from each other. And inhale back up. Let's try that 2 more times on your own. Link each movement to one breath. Let's stretch the breath so it lasts a little bit longer than the movement does. And then bring your arms down and take a breath. Now separate your feet so they're about shoulder width. And have your big toes parallel to each other. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, squat. Inhale up. 2 more times each side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, squat. And exhale the arms back down. And fine, now bring your feet the width of the mat. big toes parallel. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, squat. Resist your knees away from each other. Inhale up. 2 more times. All right, and then bring your arms down. Slide your feet closer again so they're about hip width. And close your eyes. And like we began, just take a few normal breaths. You're really noticing how it feels to be in the body today at this time. Okay, then open your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this. I like to include this little mini sequence in the beginning of my practice to help prepare me for more complex postures. As you can tell from this little sequence we did, it's quite effective in helping to lengthen the spine and mobilize the hips and prepare you, build a little heat for the rest of your practice. I hope you enjoyed.